Question 6, factorize. Again, you want to compare that with a quadratic expression. A quadratic expression is basically, in this case, I'm going to use capital A squared minus capital plus capital B, A plus capital C. So the variable is A rather than X. Instead of X, we put A as the variable. So that's why I'm using capital A, not to confuse with the lowercase a. So again, that's a quadratic expression. You can see the variable is A and the coefficient is capital A, coefficient is capital B, and coefficient is capital C. This is A to power 2, A to power 1, and A to power 0. Remember, A to power of 0 is 1. Anything to power of 0 is 1. So there is A to power 0 here. 1 times C will be C. That's why this is C. They all have variables in it, but the variable here is A to power 0. Okay, so to solve for this, my capital A equals 1. There's a 1 there. My capital B is equal to minus 1. There's a minus 1 there. And capital C is basically minus 56. So that's what you need to watch out for. Now I need to do capital A, capital C, and that will be 1 times minus 56. That will be minus 56. I need to find two numbers I can multiply together to get 56. And when I minus 56, when I add them together, I get minus 1. I have to get minus 1. So their product will be minus 56, and their sum will be minus 1. So I can say 7 minus 8, because 7 minus 8 is minus 1. If I put A here and I put A there, I'm going to get A here, because minus 1 times A is minus A. I can replace minus A with 7A minus 8. So if I come here and I do A squared, so I'm going to put minus 8A plus 7A minus 56. You have to be careful doing this here. So that will be, I can see a common factor here, A, and a common factor there, 7. So I need to basically write the factor out, A minus 8 plus 7 into bracket A minus 8. Again, you can see these two are the same. That means I'm doing it well. And what's left, as you can see, what's left is A and plus 7. So now I can finish off. The factors are A minus 8, and what's left is A plus 7. And so the factors are A minus 8, A plus 7. You're told to solve that. That's why it's set to 0. That's equated to 0, which means check it at the same. If they're the same, they will have the same factors. So you can then say A minus 8, A plus 7 equal to 0. And what you can do then is to basically set that to 0 and set that to 0. And that meant A minus 8 equal to 0, and A plus 7 equal to 0. A equals 8, and A equals minus 7. So A equals 8, A equals minus 7.